Okay guys, today I'm going to show you an easy way to make money online, and that is by selling products from one of the biggest brands in the world. Yes, I'm talking about Nike affiliate program. Nike last year made $52 billion worth of sales, and you can get a piece of that pie. And today I'm going to show you how you can register for Nike affiliate program and also how you can promote their products. So what you need to do, you need to go on Google, and here you need to search for Nike affiliate program and then press enter, and then click here on this first result. And here you can get more information about Nike affiliate program. So here you can see, for example, their affiliate commission is up to 11% per sale. So what you need to do, you need to click here on apply now, and you will be redirected to AWIN, and affiliate. And Nike is actually selling their products through AWIN affiliate program. Here you can see they work in more than 160 countries around the world. Nike website, Nike.com, is getting more than 7 million monthly visits. They have a cookie of 30 days. 30 days cookie, that is actually really good. So what you need to do, you need to click here on the left side on sign up and join the program. And then here what you need to do, you actually can register. If you are an Instagram influencer, you can sign up with Instagram, but I'm guessing that most of you are not. So what you need to do, you need to click here, join AWIN. And then here you need to add a company name, you need to add your country of residency, as you can see here. Here you need to add your first name, last name, email, confirm email, password, and confirm password. In the next step, you need to choose a promotional type. So primary region, you can choose a primary region. For me, it is actually United States, so I need to find United States of America. Here you need to choose promotion type, content, display, email, or search. Now I will actually click here, and here I can choose one of these. And I will choose content creator influencers. Set as a primary promotion type, and after that, all I have to do is just click here on next step. And then here you need to add a promotional space URL and the description. And after you add this, you will need to verify that. And if you are approved, you can start promoting Nike products, Nike affiliate products, and you can start making money. But now you need to start promoting Nike products. So you can, for example, promote Nike products on Pinterest. So when you go here on Pinterest and when you search here Nike, for example, and here you can see Nike shoes, Nike dunks, Nike socks, Nike shoes women. So when I click here, for example, here I can see that this is pretty much a stable trend. And here you can see some related searches. So for example, okay, cute Nike shoes. When I click here, I can actually compare these two trends. Here you can see cute Nike shoes is also a good trend. And here I can see that most of the people who search that are actually female, which makes sense, between 18 and 44 years old. So for example, when I copy this, Control C, and when I go here on Pinterest ads, when I search that, here I can see, okay, Nike shoes, cute Nike shoes, between 1 and 2 million monthly searches. Cute Nike's shoes, between 100 and 500,000 monthly searches here on Pinterest, which means this is actually a good trend. Lots of people search this. I can start making pins and I can start promoting Nike products because, like I said, this is Nike. Everybody trusts Nike because you will be sending people directly to Nike store, official Nike store. Also, what you can do is you can simply go here on Instagram, and then here you can search for Nike, okay? And then you can click here on hashtag Nike. And here you can see there is lots of people who are actually promoting Nike shoes and different kind of Nike products. You can do exactly the same thing. Also, what you can do is you can go on TikTok, and then here you can simply search for Nike, okay? For example, and then press enter, and when you click here on videos, here you can find different kind of Nike videos. Here you can see this is actually a simple promotional video, just a slideshow. You can make slideshows like this. Here you can see 1.5 million views. So let me just close this. 600,000 views. And these guys are actually selling these shoes. And you can make money by selling, doing exactly the same thing. Also, many of these people make review videos. They simply go and take some shoes from Nike store and they review those shoes, for example, and make a TikTok video and upload that video on their TikTok page. And they do that every day, and eventually they start getting thousands and thousands of views. For example, here you can see this video, 83 million views. So this person probably made a lots of money with this video here with 83 million views. And you can do exactly the same thing. This girl here is doing exactly the same thing. She just bought these shoes and she made a video of her wearing those shoes. Really simple, really easy. Everybody can do this. 66,000 views. You can do exactly the same thing. Or you can do things like these guys here on the beginning. You can make a simple slideshow and you can upload those videos every day here on TikTok, also on Instagram, you also on Pinterest, and you can also upload it on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, and eventually you will start getting thousands and thousands and thousands of views and you will start making money with Nike affiliate program. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.